Hey friends, welcome back. Today we will talk about props, and before proceeding further, let me give you a small update. This particular project is taken from the previous lecture. It is exactly the same, but there is a small update. In the previous lecture, we are making use of this interface insurance, and we were making use of this particular method get members, and in here there was a small little warning, and I have fixed that warning by adding this parameter string and string. So this is a very small update. Now let's proceed further. If I check this bike insurance class, we have this map. Now in map we can have the key as maybe int, maybe some other primitive data type. The value pair could be also something else other than string. But in the case of props, the key and value, both the pair, needs to be string. Now what is a prop? Prop means property, and this is a special type of map where the key and the value pair both would be string, which is mandate. And don't confuse the property term with the property which we are using in here, where we have getters and setters. Don't confuse this with this particular property. Property means a special type of map. This is as simple as this. Now friends, moving forward, where we make use of property, usually in programming where we have the website with multiple languages, there is a heavy usage of property. So let's proceed further and let's edit this beans.xml. So for doing so, I will get rid of this map firstly, and I will now navigate to this beans tab. I will traverse this my insurance bean. I will highlight this members property. I will right click and add this particular props element. Alright, so I will highlight this props element and insert a new prop. Inside this prop, we have key. Let me navigate to the source. We have this key. Now in order to add the value, we need to manually do it. Again, the GUI doesn't give us the field for value, which is not a good thing in fact. So I will again navigate to the source. I will give the key as maybe father, and the name of the father is John. Then I will in fact copy this and paste it in here, and I will again paste it in here in order to make things little faster. Then brother's name is maybe Mike, and then finally the holder, whose name is Ron. Alright, so now we have these three props. Now props is nothing but a map where the key and the value pair both would be definitely string. And for matter of fact, we are also making use of this string and string map, which is a good thing, and this is the reason why we need not to change anything in this particular program, and we can directly execute this particular program. So I will maximize this console and I will execute this particular program in order to give you a better view, and here we go. So everything works perfectly and there is no issue, and everything is working properly. So this is all about props, and props are good, and this is a good to know information. So with this, I would be concluding this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Take care and stay healthy.